Welcome to part 3 of the Hahndorf Concours. We've had a fabulous week in Hahndorf. The trip over and the trip back were equally amazing. We had a terrific time with a great group of friends. Following the Concours, we had a couple of days of fun around the Adelaide Hills. Some of the people went and drove laps at the Bend, the racetrack at Tailem Bend. Some of us went to the Birdwood Classic Car event in Adelaide, and some of us did a walking tour. So this video will cover off some of the after Concours activities. I hope you enjoy them. Of course, the big event on the Sunday following our Concours was the Birdwood Car Classic. It's run every year in Adelaide. This year there were 1,600 entrants and there are 120,000 spectators lining the route between Glenelg and Birdwood up in the Adelaide Hills. The population of Adelaide is only 1.4 million, so almost 10% of the population turned out, which you would have to agree is quite amazing. Jenny and I joined the 120,000 spectators along the route. We perched on a little spot in Green Hill Parade in Adelaide with the Triumph Stag owners of South Australia, and we filmed for 2.5 hours, and in that time we didn't get all the cars, but we got a fair proportion. In this video I'm not going to show you 2.5 hours of classic cars going past. I'm just going to cut that down. I'll certainly try and capture all of the TRs that I can. With 2.5 hours standing right beside all of these classic cars driving past, you can imagine when we got home, our clothes stunk, we stunk, we could taste unburnt fuel, I suppose. It wasn't pleasant, but I hope you enjoy the video. No, it's a test. It's Robert. Hey, Jeff Bowman swapped his wife out. There's Pearl.
Hey, Pearl!
Oh shit, look out for the bikes. Here's my TR6. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Hi there!
Hello. Hi, Cheryl. Stephen. Cassie. Denise. Wow. Frank. David and Wendy, hello. David, too fast. Look out. Another David.
David's not his
That was Warren.
but you're worried about
Nice little Dino. Luca. Not that, bloody electric heap of rubbish.
Circa 2025.
Burn your dreams.
Look at that.
kryptonite.
Yeah, they're never going to do a. They're never going to do a rally of 2025 cars, are they?
No.
Ever.
Well, not
They
certainly
won't go
not
in.
electric one.
They won't be running.
This is absolutely
All right.
fantastic.
You were into panel vans, were you?
Yes. Oh, look at that one. Oh yeah, you know, as a kid you always wanted a boyfriend with a panel van. Mum and Dad
I didn't.
absolutely, definitely did not. It's a moving museum.
Sorry.
Oh, magnet. Now, here's a charger, Jenny. Jenny?
Give me a sign, sweetheart. Charger.
Sigma. Another charger. On the Monday morning following our Concours, a number of our members went to Tailem Bend to drive laps at the Tailem Bend racetrack. Tailem Bend's already posted a video on that, so if you want to have a look, please go and check out their website, and I'm sure it'll have a link to the Triumph laps. Some of us did a walking tour of Hahndorf, which was really interesting. Something that we did learn that most people don't understand is that Hahndorf was actually a Prussian town, not a German town. It was founded by people escaping from Prussia. They'd been persecuted by the king and escaped and settled in Hahndorf in 1839. It's a very interesting story and a great success story for a bunch of people who were being persecuted in their homeland. The first thing the walking tour lady told us to do was turn off our cameras and turn off our phones, and we certainly weren't allowed a video. So that put a bit of a dampener on it. Little did she know that on the Saturday, I'd already done some videoing around the town, and I hope you enjoy it. There's not a lot of commentary, but you get the idea. That brings to an end part 3, and also brings to an end our coverage of the Hahndorf Concours. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.